Everybody's talking about Genspark AI, like it's the future of presentations. AI agents, auto slides, research, do everything workflows. But here's the expensive mistake people are making. They're paying for giant AI platforms when they really just need a good AI PowerPoint generator. That's why a lot of creators, freelancers, startup founders, and agencies are quietly switching to simpler tools focused only on presentations. And honestly, some of these tools are faster, cheaper, and easier than Genspark AI. So here are the AI presentation tools going viral right now. First, Gamma. This is probably the biggest Genspark alternative for presentations right now. You type a prompt, upload notes, or paste text, and Gamma builds a full presentation in minutes. People love it because it's insanely fast and has a genuinely usable free tier. The slides feel modern and web native instead of old school PowerPoint. Perfect for startup pitches, client presentations, quick content decks. Next, Canva Magic Design. Most people already know Canva, but the AI presentation feature got way better recently. You give it a topic and it generates slides, visuals, layouts, even branding automatically. The biggest advantage? It's simple. No learning curve, no complicated AI workflows. That's why creators and casual users love it. Now here's the underrated one, Beautiful.ai. This tool focuses heavily on making presentations look professional automatically. Instead of manually fixing spacing and alignment for hours, the AI handles layouts for you. A lot of business teams use it because every deck looks polished without needing design skills. Another tool blowing up is Presentations.ai. This one is becoming popular with agencies and business teams because it creates editable PowerPoint files that actually work properly after export. That sounds small, but it matters a lot for client work. Then there's AI PPT. This tool is getting attention because it's focused almost entirely on AI PowerPoint generation. You upload content or ideas, and it turns them into editable PPT slides fast. And honestly, for quick business decks, it's surprisingly solid. Now here's the truth. Genspark AI is powerful, but most people don't need an AI super workspace just to make slides. They need fast generation, clean design, easy editing, cheap or free plans. That's why these alternatives are growing so fast. Quick breakdown. Gamma equals fastest workflow. Canva equals easiest for beginners. Beautiful.ai equals best polished layouts. Presentations.ai equals strong business workflows. AI PPT equals focused AI PowerPoint generator. And honestly, that's the costly AI mistake most people realize too late, paying for complexity when a focused free AI presentation tool would have done the job faster. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.